Today I'm going to show you how to use Kami, which is a annotator for PDF documents inside of Google Classroom. So we're going to integrate Kami into Google Classroom. So your first step will be to go to kamiapp.com and sign in. And we're going to sign in with our granitesd.org account. So we're going to choose login with Google. And I'm going to choose my granitesd.org account and then wait for my login. Once I'm here and I can see that I'm logged in, I can see that I have a teacher account, I'm now going to add Kami as a Chrome extension in the Chrome Web Store. So I will search for Kami, and here it is, Kami extension. I select that extension and I add to Chrome and add extension to Chrome. Once it's been added to Chrome, you will see it show up here in your little toolbar that says a big K, Kami extension. You can pin it to be visible if you need it to be up there, but you probably won't. Okay, the next step would be to open up Google Classroom, so classroom.google.com. You're going to go into the course you want to create an assignment for. You'll select classwork, and we're going to create a new assignment. And now that I've added the Kami Chrome extension, I can see that I have an option here for Kami assignment. So I will select Kami assignment, and it's going to create an assignment. I will choose which course, which students. If it's published, I'll title it for Kami practice. I'll give it points. I'll set a due date. Do I want it to be delivered now to the students? These are all settings that I can choose. And then I can either select to attach a file that I might have on my computer, or I can choose my Google Drive. And today I'm going to choose my Google Drive. It opens up a new window, well, inside the same window. I'm going to select PDFs for this instance. And we're going to just find a PDF here that I'm going to attach. We will attach a narrative story map PDF. Maybe I want my students to do something like that. So I will double click on that file. Now we'll see that it shows up inside the assignment attached. I can choose to make a copy for each student to turn in on their own, or if I want my students to be collaborative and work together on an assignment, I can do that. Or maybe this is just a viewable file that they're going to use for reference to complete the assignment. And finally, I would go ahead and select Assign. And now, once that's finished, I'm going to see a assignment created that I can open up and find and have my students do work on. Okay, great. Thanks so much.